position the border around the edge, leaving a small amount over for trimming. We then have to decide the position of the finish of this straight margin. In this case, it will finish in the middle of this one here. Taking the cutting tool and then cut. We then need to repeat for the other sides. Again, leaving an overhang. Mark. Cut. The length of this is determined by the distance from here to here. Transfer the same measurement down this line. We will do the same on this one. Like so. This now is the length we need to cut this margin. Like so. Right, we have now cut all the margins. We can now glue the margins into position. We now have to weight it to make sure it is level. And leave to set. We now repeat the same process for all the borders around the edge. We now position this margin with the line we drew. We then, at this side, mark the mitre. We then cut. Cut firmly and deeply, like so. We then bring the margin back into position and then mark the top of this mitre. We then need to make the cut deeply and firmly. So we now position the margin where it was, producing the perfect mitre. We are now ready for gluing the two side pieces to the mat. now have to wait a while for the glue to set. Once the glue is set, we can remove the weights. Check that all the joints are okay and level. Then carry on with the corners.